Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Yuni Fatmawati from class 2 of Tidar University Biology Education. I will explain a little of photosynthesis as a final project for an English course. Photosynthesis is an important process that only occurs in plants. Not only important for plants, photosynthesis also plays an important role in the life of human and other animals. Like most living things, plants also need food. The food consumed then produce the energy needed to grow and reproduce. Plants can create their own food, which is known as photosynthesis. Citing the BBC UK page, photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that occurs in the plant body. The process of photosynthesis occurs in plants. Not only green, but all plants can do this process because they have chlorophyll. This process converts energy from sunlight into chemical energy. Sourced from the Encyclopedia Britannica, sunlight is used to convert water, carbon dioxide, and minerals into oxygen and organic compound. The place where photosynthesis occurs in the leaves, more precisely in plant cells called chloroplast. These cells contain chlorophyll. This is the process of photosynthesis in plant. Carbon dioxide in the air enters through the stomata in the leaves. Plant root absorb water from the soil, then carry it to the leaves. Inside the leaf, carbon dioxide and water are processed by sunlight. The product of the photosynthesis process are glucose, oxygen, and water. The oxygen product by plant is released through the stomata. This oxygen can be enjoyed by other living such as human and animal. While glucose will be distributed to all parts of the plant, glucose stored in the plant body can be a source of food for other living things. Herbivores and omnivores use plant bodies as a source of both primary and secondary food. Then herbivores animals become the staple food of the carnivores and omnivores. If plants do not photosynthesize, the food chain will be disturbed and animals or the creature will die from lack of food. This process occurs in the green leaves, namely in the mesophyll cells. In the mesophyll cells, there are chloroplasts and in them there are grana. Photosynthesis also occurs in green stem and some parts of flower. On the leaf surface, there are 500,000 chloroplasts per square meter. Carbon dioxide reaches the chloroplast through the stomata, while water through the veins of the leaves. Photosynthesis can only take place in organisms that have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a plant pigment found in chloroplast and can be bacteriochlorophyll A, B, C, D, E, and bacteriophyridine. Chlorophyll A and B are only found in higher plants. The process of photosynthesis involves two successive series in reaction, namely like reaction and drag reaction. As the name suggests, the like reaction depends on like, also known to the Hill reaction. Meanwhile, the drag reaction is independent of like and is referred to as the Calvin-Benson cycle. The steps in the like reaction include like absorption and electron-transport, water splitting, and the formation of energy intermediates ATP, photophosphorylation. The result of the like reaction is then utilized in the drag reaction, namely the biosynthetic phase. The drag reactions are a synthetic part in photosynthesis, meaning that the formation of energy occurs in the drag reaction. The drag reaction takes place in the stroma by a series of catalytic enzymes. The drag reaction fights carbon dioxide and synthesis carbohydrate or sugar. The drag reaction also depends on the product of the like reaction, namely ATP and NADPH. The drag reaction is also a pathway for carbonification in the drug through intermediate compounds that lead to the formation of sugar and starch. Melvin Calvin and colleagues use radioactive carbon dioxide in the photosynthesis of cholera or unicellular green algae. The carbonification pathway is then detected with the help of radioactive tracking technique that apparently occurs in the photosynthesis plant. Okay, thank you. I think this is enough for me. I'm sorry for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.